Hello everyone. My name is Pragati Budhe. I am Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Technology, Priyadarshini College of Engineering, Nagpur. Today I am going to introduce some introduction about the subject Artificial Intelligence, which is included in the fifth semester of Computer Technology branch. Here some contents. First is introduction about the AI. Second is why should we learn or study this subject? That is, it included the significance of this subject. Next is the objective of artificial intelligence. Another is the application of artificial intelligence, and last is the syllabus included in fifth semester in the subject artificial intelligence. That is, I will explain unit wise. Next, first is the introduction about the artificial intelligence. Now, AI is the field that become extremely popular nowadays everywhere in the world. That is, AI means artificial and intelligence, the combination of two words. First is artificial, that is made by human beings, and another is the intelligence, that is a thinking power. AI is defined as the branch of computer science by which we can create an intelligent machine which can behave like human, think like human, and able to make decisions like human. Next, AI can be achieved by reading the behavior of humans and using the results to develop the intelligent system. For example, they learn, make decisions, and act in a certain situations. Observing humans while problem solving is a simple task, and using its result to develop intelligent system. The overall research goal of artificial intelligence is to create technology that allows computers and machines to work intelligently. The general problem of a simulating or creating intelligence is broken down into subproblems. Then my next content why this subject, why we should learn this subject. Now AI is all around us, from Siri, OK Google to numerous virtual players, games, and social media applications. Artificial intelligence has transformed the way people think, learn, and work in various areas, including banking, healthcare, smartphone applications. AI has a larger impact on our everyday lives than we realize. It is without a doubt the most talked about subject in the corporate world right now. It is currently the most sought after and thrilling career domain in the market. Next is the objective of this course. First objective is to understand necessary depth of the fundamental techniques of artificial intelligence. Which fundamental techniques we are going to introduce in the artificial intelligence to capable of using heuristic search techniques. That is, what is heuristic search technique? It is an informed type of search techniques. Next is to aware of knowledge based system. What is knowledge based system? Then next is to learn various application domains of AI, in which areas, in which domains the AI is used. Next is to able to use fuzzy logic and neural networks and also the genetic algorithm. Here are some application areas of artificial intelligence. First is the healthcare area. In healthcare, artificial intelligence has proven to be life-saving aid in a healthcare. For example, the AI algorithm in a smartwatch monitors a person's vital activity to detect health problems and even alerts emergency services. Additionally, AI has helped increase the speed and accuracy of the drugs. Next application is the financial services. Financial services have benefited from AI for the past 3 decades. AI is useful for bookkeeping management, stock forecasting, and even fraud prevention in banking. Large enterprises uses AI to process and audit transactions under strict compliance. Next is the retail sector. In the retail business, AI algorithm can combat supply chain problems by managing inventory. Apart from predicting future trends in the apparel business, AI can also help forecast demand and enhance customer experience through real-time data analysis. Next is the automobile industry. An important example of using AI is the automobile industry. An autonomous or self-driving car is the latest research area, and every car maker is investing heavily in it. Several car makers have already used AI features such as voice control, lane switch, collision detection, and improved driver safety. Self-driving car is the most trending example of artificial intelligence. Next is utility of subject. First is a benefit of AI for businesses. Every businesses should benefited from the AI. Automation. Automation is one of the most common benefit of AI. AI improved customer experiences, smarter decision making, research and data analysis, solves complex problems, manages repetitive tasks, reduces errors, and improved business efficiency. Next, I'm going to explain the syllabus which is included in the fifth semester of computer technology branch in RTMNU. First is the first unit contains introduction to AI. Introduction to AI means definition of AI, early work which was uh, included in first unit. Next is the importance of AI and related fields. Next is task domains of AI system. Task domains contain two types of domains that three types of domains. That is, first is the mundane task, formal task, and expert system. Mundane task contains the ordinary task. Uh, Formal task contains games like chess. Then expert system contains the engineering area, medical analysis. Next is intelligent agent. Intelligent agent means that machine which is created using the AI. That machine we called as intelligent agent. Next is a generic architecture of intelligent agent. There are three or four types of intelligent agent, and we are here included the architecture of intelligent agent. Next is the basics of problem solving. Problem solving means how we use the AI to solve the various complex problems. Then first defining the problem on a state space search. What is state space search? State space search is the main problem solving method in which the various possible states are given, and we have to find the best state at which leads to the approximate goal of our problem. That is the state space search. Next is the production system. Production system, here I'm going example of water jug problem. Water jug problem uses the production rules. There is a water jug problem. 8 puzzle problems are the example of state space search. Next is the problem characteristics. What are the problem characteristics? Then production system characteristics. Issues in design the search program. Here the unit 2 which contain heuristic search technique. Heuristic search technique, there are two types of search technique. One is uninformed search technique and another is the informed search technique. Uninformed search technique uses BFS and DFS, that is breadth first search and depth first search. In informed search technique, that is the heuristic search techniques, we use the generate and test, hill climbing, BFS, problem reduction, constraint satisfaction, means and analysis. Here, hill climbing and base first search. Base first search technique is the technique in which the problem we are going to solve using AI. We divide that problem, we solve that problem in the possible ways that problem can give the answer, and we have to find out the best way, best path that leads to our goal, which is included in a best first search technique. In problem reduction, we divide the main problem into two or more subproblems. We solve that subproblems and then connect that solution to give the main answer. Next is the constraint satisfaction, means and analysis. Knowledge representation. Knowledge representation is the way in which the knowledge is represented in the AI. representation and mapping, approaches and issues, introduction to propositional logic, knowledge representation using predicate logic, unification and resolution, representing knowledge using rules, procedural versus declarative knowledge, programming, forward versus backward reasoning. Then what is the reasoning? Reasoning is the mental ability to uh, to create a logic that we called a reasoning. Next is a unit third. Unit third contains knowledge representation in which network representation schemes, semantic network, conceptual graph, conceptual dependency, structured representation schemes, frames and script. Here knowledge representation means how the AI system contains the knowledge in their knowledge base. Knowledge base included the semantic network, conceptual graphs, conceptual dependencies, structured representation scheme through which the knowledge base, the AI machine or AI system can gain and retrieve the data. Next is a statistical reasoning. Statistical reasoning contains symbolic versus statistical reasoning, non-monotonic and monotonic reasoning, probability and Bayes theorem, certainty factors, and rule-based system, Bayesian network, introduction to fuzzy logic. Next is the Unit 4. Unit 4 contains the expert system. Then what is the expert system? Expert system, I'm giving the example of medical analysis. In medical analysis, many complex problems related to the medical are arises. So expert system, if we uses a AI machine as an expert system and for the medical area, then that expert system can solve the various complex problems without taking a lots of time, and we get to the conclusion fastly. Here expert system included characteristics, features of expert system, architecture of expert system, and expert system self. Next is a game playing. Game playing is the main and trending use of AI. Game playing contains chess. Uh, Game playing uses the min-max search procedure, alpha-beta cutoff procedure. Next is the natural language processing. Natural language processing means in which the natural language understanding and natural language generation, these two contents are included. Natural language processing means if we uses or daily life language with the machine, then the NLP NLP content convert that natural language into the machine readable language or machine understandable language, and then we get the conclusion, we get the result of that question. That is the natural language processing. Here overview of linguistic, grammar and language, basic parsing techniques, semantic analysis and representation structure. And last unit is the unit 5. Unit 5 contains the artificial neural network. Artificial neural network. We all know what is the neural network. Neural network is throughout our brain in a body. The network which is connected we called as a neural network of our body. Such as artificial neural network is also for the AI machine. Artificial neural network is included because AI should be behave like a human. Here introduction, neural network representation, neural learning, knowledge representation in ANN, application of neural network. And last topic is genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm contains motivation, genetic algorithm cycle, genetic operators, genetic algorithm based machine learning, and examples. Next is the next and last is the course outcomes of this subject. First course outcome. What is the course outcome? Course outcomes means after learning these 5 units, we get the conclusion, and student must able to learn by learning the first unit, that is for CO1, explain the concepts of AI, its importance in various fields and basics of AI, problem solving techniques with more stress on various problem characteristics. CO2 is illustrate various such techniques and explain various types of knowledge representation scheme. Third is explain and apply various non-formal knowledge representation methods and statistical reasoning methods in AI problem solving. CO4 is describe various application domains of AI such as expert system, game playing, and natural language processing. CO5 is explain neural network learning and evolutionary algorithm such as genetic algorithm for solving AI problem. Here are some textbooks we should use for learning and studying the artificial intelligence subject. So thank you.